So, hello guys, welcome back on the platform. This is a tool for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. If you use ChatGPT or Gemini and you are not completely satisfied with the tool itself, this is something for you. I will just shortly showcase what it can do. So, for example, say like this is a living room and we want it in a Scandinavian style. Let's just replace it and you see this is before and this is after. You can also shop the furniture. So for example, if you like the sofa, we can actually just press shop now, and throughout the Google Lens, we'll be able to shop these kinds of style of the sofa. So you can see all kinds of others that are available within our country. So if you're from America, Australia, or wherever you are, you will always have a furniture that's available within your country. Then, for example, let's go with something modern. This is what we had, minimalistic. Yeah, this is some simple sofa, dining room, minimalistic, just simple chairs, Scandinavian. So you can try it out and play with it. And let's just try it out on some real picture. So, for example, let's say we have a case, we have a bedroom, for example. It looks like this. I want to somehow make it look nice for client. So all we have to do, we just upload the picture. So first thing on the input, it's always the picture. Then we want to go to AI interior design style. And for example, we want to pick the room type as a bedroom. Then we like the style, let's say we like modern style. And which colors do we like? We can pick a custom. So let's go with something which is like more brown, for example. Then let's go with something white. Let's go with something bit into black. And let's go with something, for example, gray. And then also let's say the budget itself. And let's try different variations. So for example, we will go for a batch of 3. And let's design the room. Right now we will get in 20 seconds about the 3 pictures and pictures of the bedroom. And then we can actually go on with the one that we actually like the most out of those 3. So this is like really simple idea on how to design your own space. So let's just go through it. This was the before. This is one inspiration. Then there is another one. This is like all the modern style. And then the third one. And for example, if you like some kind of those furnitures, we will see it in this sidebar. Like for example, I love this bed. I want to buy it. I just click on it and browse all other beds that are available within this category and within our country. So you see, these are the similar beds that are pretty similar to this one. So somehow like this, we can actually find what we like. Also, for example, there is this lamp. You see it right here. It's on this picture. Let's find other stores. And you see you can get this lamp in a Hornbach for 80 bucks. Amazon have it available. So you can also compare the prices. So if you like some kind of a product and it looks similar on multiple webs, you can pick the ones that you actually are willing to pay for. So if some lamp costs like 1,000 euros, you can find similar one for less. This is pretty cool. Then also, for example, let's say I'm not satisfied with this type of floor. So let's type floor texture. And we'll find which one we actually like or which one is in our availability. So let's go with this. Let's go with something a bit brighter. Let's go with this one. And all you have to do, you just pass the edge in here and say, I want to redesign the floor plan, into this style. And let's go with just the one batch, so just one picture. And we will see different floor in this bedroom, which will match the texture that we actually sent here. Then also same goes for exteriors. So if you want to change the exterior of your house or your apartment or your balcony or wherever you are or your garden, you can actually do that. And you see the picture here, you see the floor changed based on this. And now, right now, it looks completely different than it was. Thank you guys for tuning in and for watching the whole video. I would be so happy if you try the MeltFlexAI.com platform. It's so useful. You have one free generation available, then it goes for 20 euros plus per month. And I will be happy if you join the platform. Ciao.